So here we are, climbing up Snake Mountain. So we'll see if there's any snakes up here. I believe there are some caves. So it's quite a climb up the mountain. So there's lots of ways up to here. So I've seen about 5 or 6 different ways to get up. So you just gotta pick one and explore it. The views are getting lovely. Lots of monkeys here too, again. Okay, up here. Oh, I'm getting tired now. Oh. The views are great. Wow. So I'm gonna have a rest here and then continue going up in a minute. Oh, okay, so we're coming up to a cave now. Oh, a little. Don't know. I've never been here before, so don't know if it's a little cave or a big cave or what. Let's have a look. Oh, looks like it's a little cave, this one. I think, yeah. Oh, some bats. Oh, there you go. There's bats coming down from there, disturbing the bats. So it's a little bat cave. Wow. It's just a little one, Carl. Yeah. I disturbed some bats. They all went flying off further into the cave. So this is a little cave, but there's lots of them in this mountain. So at the top of this one, so we take another route up and try and find some other caves. No sign of any snakes yet here on Snake Mountain. Keep you updated if we see any. All the monkeys are out in force. So we just come down from that one. There's some more climb up down here. We're going to get some water and then venture up some more. So I'm just keeping an eye on the monkeys, make sure they don't try stealing my phone and running up a mountain with it. They'll be arguing with everyone on Facebook before you know it. Okay, let's carry on. Some monkeys everywhere. There's another staircase there. Not sure if you want to go up there. Do you want to go up? The monkeys are everywhere.
Yeah, let's do it.
So we're climbing up another route now. This one's a lot higher than the last one. Wow. Whew. So we don't know what is at the top here. We're just, like I say, there's many routes up. You've just gotta pick one. A lot of views are opening up. So just pick a route and head up. Still no sign of any snakes yet. Here on Snake Mountain. So we're getting some height over the valley. Wow. Oh, it keeps going up around the bend. Okay, so I'll let you know what's at the top. So here it looks like we're approaching the top of this one now. Wow. Boy. Okay, so there's Buddhist temple up here. Oh. Oh wow, great views over Ratchaburi. Wow, so yeah, the views are nice, lovely. It's nice and cool up here too. There's a nice breeze. Let's have a look what's around the back here. Wow, there's the mountain over there. So all these climbs, they're on the back of the Snake Mountain entrance, where the lake is. You have to go around the back, which is down there, I believe, to the other side of the mountain from where you go in. Let's have a look up here, see if there's anything interesting. No. Okay, no caves or anything. No, so there's just this viewpoint. Oh well, so like, some of these have got caves at the top. Some of them just have these little Buddhists. You can pay merit for climbing all the way up. Okay, so we'll be going up. There's quite a few way up, routes up. So we'll be going up probably all of them. So here we go. We're going to get the drone up anyway and get some nice footage.
Right, you're going to have to, because I've got my injured hand.
Okay.
You're going to have to plug it in for me, unfortunately.
Oh,
right.
Okay. Well, there you go. Did it like a pro. There you go. We're going to send the drone up. Here we go. We have action. There we go. Let's hope we see it again, Carl. Wow.